What are the different kinds of healing therapy available at home? There's no need to go to the gym. You can practice this at home. Deep breathing or abdominal breathing. Breathing the right way. Noticing your breath and breathing in and breathing out. Avoid shallow breathing. Walking. Walking done the right way. And if you really want to do exercise, you can try out brisk walking. Then you have massaging the palms and the feet. Very essential to keep your endocrine glands working. Then you have the laughter therapy. All of us need to learn to smile and bring back laughter. If you can bring a smile to 3 people every day, it'll be great to improve your relationship. And yes, laughter therapy is a way of relieving your stress. Handwriting therapy, where you can start with a journal or writing down your thoughts on paper and monitoring your thoughts. And you have art therapy, a form of dance, drama, music, singing, art and craft, and lot more, by using your 5 senses to improve your overall health. Then you have facial yoga, another form that will help you to relieve stress, avoid double chin and tongue twister exercises. And yes, you can practice vowels. A, E, I, O, U. And these are simple exercises that can be done using the tongue. You can also do the Q, R, Q, R, Q, R exercises, QS exercises, and you can also do your foot exercises. Feet exercises are very simple to do. Lift your right feet down, down, and moving this up and down can be very relaxing. And yes, doing the neck exercises, moving your face to the left as far as possible and then bringing it to the center, again turning to the right and with less pressure and bringing it to the center. Doing it 10 times a day can and help you avoid neck problems. And yes, we need to keep ourselves relaxed, keep our thoughts in check. How is your um, how are you controlling your thoughts? Because your thoughts decide your happiness, your satisfaction level, and how you feel. And if you're able to monitor that when you sit in silence and deep breathe, when you're able to put your thoughts in focus and list out the list for the day when you do your handwriting journal, what you plan to do for the day and how you're going to monitor that is at the end of the day, what have you accomplished? What is the best time value that you got for your time put in? How is it helping you in your growth? And if you're facing challenges and they are recurring and you feel they are escalating, what is the main reason? Have you paused? Have you paused? Have you smiled? Have you been expressing gratitude for your 5 senses, for being blessed every day, for being alive? Have you blessed the water, the sunlight, and the food that you get from Mother Earth? Are you really spending time showing gratitude and in spiritual growth? You may have everything, but when you lack the spiritual faith, it is tough for you to bounce back. Adversities are in different forms. For each one, adversity is different. But your faith and leap of faith makes all the difference in being a better you, improving and transforming yourself first before putting on the burden of responsibilities to others. Your relationship is built on your responses to how neutral you are in your reaction. There's no need to take things personally. It's better to avoid an argument and say yes when people find flaws with you. It may not be right, but it is an eye opener that it could be something which you have not noticed. But there's no need to take it personally. You can see how better you can respond next time when it comes to the flaw that has been pointed out. You can also improve upon learning how to face a challenge just by putting thoughts on paper. There's three scripts always done. One is the idea, then working on the idea and drawing a plan and how you're going to execute it, and third is the implementation of the plan. So if you don't have a definite plan, a definite goal, a definite journey to make, then things become dim. All of us need good health, be it for today, be it 20 years from now. If you need good health, practice these healing tips, therapies which you can do at home, and it can help you immensely. Hi, I'm Sriram Benur, and I would like you to subscribe to my channel and to know more on how you can beat stress. Practice this for 15 days and please give me your feedback how this has helped you. Thank you.